هل يبيعون الأطعمة العالمية؟
Do they sell international food?
Do they sell international food?
Do they sell international food?
نعم، لديهم متجر دولي.
Yes, they have an international aisle.
Yes, they have an international aisle.
Yes, they have an international aisle.
أين يمكنني العثور على طبيب يتحدث لغتي؟
Where can I find a doctor who speaks my language?
Where can I find a doctor who speaks my language?
Where can I find a doctor who speaks my language?
يوجد في مركز صحة المجتمع أطباء متعددي اللغات.
The community health center has multilingual doctors.
The community health center has multilingual doctors.
The community health center has multilingual doctors.
ما هي الطريقة الجيدة للقاء أشخاص جدد؟
What's a good way to meet new people?
What's a good way to meet new people?
What's a good way to meet new people?
يعد الانضمام إلى الأندية المحلية التطوعية طريقة جيدة.
Joining local clubs volunteering is a good way.
Joining local clubs volunteering is a good way.
Joining local clubs volunteering is a good way.
ما هو الدين الرئيسي هنا؟
What's the main religion here?
What's the main religion here?
What's the main religion here?
المسيحية هي الدين الرئيسي، ولكن هناك أناس من العديد من الديانات.
Christianity is the main religion, but there are people of many faiths.
Christianity is the main religion, but there are people of many faiths.
Christianity is the main religion, but there are people of many faiths.
هل هناك أي أماكن للعبادة لديني؟
Are there any places of worship for my religion?
Are there any places of worship for my religion?
Are there any places of worship for my religion?
نعم، يوجد مسجد وكنيسة في الجانب الشرقي من المدينة.
Yes, there's a mosque church temple on the east side of town.
Yes, there's a mosque church temple on the east side of town.
Yes, there's a mosque church temple on the east side of town.
كيف يمكنني الحصول على هاتف محمول؟
How can I get a mobile phone?
How can I get a mobile phone?
How can I get a mobile phone?
هناك العديد من شركات الهاتف مثل أتي وفرايس.
There are several phone companies like AT&T and Verizon.
There are several phone companies like AT&T and Verizon.
There are several phone companies like AT&T and Verizon.
ما هي المستندات التي أحتاجها لعقد الهاتف؟
What documents do I need for a phone contract?
What documents do I need for a phone contract?
What documents do I need for a phone contract?
أنت بحاجة إلى جواز سفرك ورقم الضمان الاجتماعي.
You need your passport and social security number.
You need your passport and social security number.
You need your passport and social security number.
أين يمكنني أن أجد صالة رياضية؟
Where can I find a gym?
Where can I find a gym?
Where can I find a gym?
هناك فكرة جيدة في وسط المدينة.
There's a good one in the city center.
There's a good one in the city center.
There's a good one in the city center.
ما هي رسوم العضوية؟
What's the membership fee?
What's the membership fee?
What's the membership fee?
إنها $50 شهرياً.
It's $50 per month.
It's $50 per month.
It's $50 per month.
هل هناك أي حدائق قريبة؟
Are there any parks nearby?
Are there any parks nearby?
Are there any parks nearby?
نعم، يقع سنترال دارك على بعد 5 دقائق فقط.
Yes, Central Park is just 5 minutes away.
Yes. Central Park is just 5 minutes away.
Yes, Central Park is just 5 minutes away.
هل من الآمن التجول ليلاً؟
Is it safe to walk around at night?
Is it safe to walk around at night?
Is it safe to walk around at night?
بشكل عام نعم، ولكن كن دائماً على دراية بما يحيط بك.
Generally, yes, but always be aware of your surroundings.
Generally, yes, but always be aware of your surroundings.
Generally, yes, but always be aware of your surroundings.
ما هي قواعد التخلص من القمامة؟
What are the garbage disposal rules?
What are the garbage disposal rules?
What are the garbage disposal rules?
يتم جمع القمامة مرتين في الأسبوع، ويتم جمع المواد القابلة لإعادة التدوير بشكل منفصل.
Garbage is collected twice a week. Recyclables are collected separately.
Garbage is collected twice a week. Recyclables are collected separately.
Garbage is collected twice a week. Recyclables are collected separately.
أين يمكنني معرفة المزيد عن الثقافة المحلية؟
Where can I learn more about the local culture?
Where can I learn more about the local culture?
Where can I learn more about the local culture?
يحتوي متحف المدينة على معروضات عن التاريخ والثقافة المحلية.
The city museum has exhibits on local history and culture.
The city museum has exhibits on local history and culture.
The city museum has exhibits on local history and culture.
ما هو مصدر جيد للأخبار المحلية؟
What's a good source of local news?
What's a good source of local news?
What's a good source of local news?
Daily Times هي صحيفة محلية شعبية.
The Daily Times is a popular local newspaper.
The Daily Times is a popular local newspaper.
The Daily Times is a popular local newspaper.
هل يمكنك أن تخبرني باسمك الكامل؟
Can you tell me your full name?
Can you tell me your full name?
Can you tell me your full name?
نعم، اسمي الكامل هو ألكسندر جونسون.
Yes, my full name is Alexander Johnson.
Yes, my full name is Alexander Johnson.
Yes, my full name is Alexander Johnson.
من أين أنت أصلاً؟
Where are you from originally?
Where are you from originally?
Where are you from originally?
أنا أصلاً من سيول، كوريا الجنوبية.
I'm originally from Seoul, South Korea.
I'm originally from Seoul, South Korea.
I'm originally from Seoul, South Korea.
ما هو سبب طلبك للإقامة هنا؟
What is your reason for applying for residency here?
What is your reason for applying for residency here?
What is your reason for applying for residency here?
أريد مواصلة الدراسة وتجربة الثقافة هنا.
I want to further my studies and experience the culture here.
I want to further my studies and experience the culture here.
I want to further my studies and experience the culture here.
هل لديك أي عائلة تعيش هنا؟
Do you have any family living here?
Do you have any family living here?
Do you have any family living here?
نعم، أختي تعيش هنا.
Yes, my sister lives here.
Yes, my sister lives here.
Yes, my sister lives here.
ما هي وظيفتك الحالية؟
What is your current occupation?
What is your current occupation?
What is your current occupation?
أنا طالب.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
هل تعرف عاصمة هذه البلاد؟
Do you know the capital city of this country?
Do you know the capital city of this country?
Do you know the capital city of this country?
نعم، عاصمتها واشنطن العاصمة.
Yes, the capital is Washington, D.C.
Yes. The capital is Washington, D.C.
Yes, the capital is Washington, D.C.
تابع الدرس بالفيديو المتسلسل في أمريكا. تدريب سهل على القراءة دون أخطاء.
Follow the sequential video lesson in America. Easy reading training without errors.